In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo a delete action in Wrike in just 5 minutes. We all know that sometimes accidents happen. We might delete a task or a file by mistake, but thankfully, there's a straightforward way to reverse that. Whether you're new to Wrike or just need a little refresher on this particular feature, let's walk through the steps together to ensure you can easily recover any deleted items when the need arises. First, you'll want to start by opening up your preferred web browser. It's important to feel comfortable with the tool you're using, so pick the browser that you're most familiar with. Once your browser is open, simply type Wrike into the search bar and hit Enter. You should see Wrike's official page as one of the top results. Click on that link to head over to the Wrike homepage. Once you're on the Wrike homepage, you'll need to log in. If you already have an account, just click the Login button and enter your credentials. If you're new to Wrike and want to try it out, you can also select the Try Wrike for Free option to start a trial. This will allow you to get a sense of the platform's features and capabilities, including the undo function we're focusing on today. Now, let's discuss the main event: recovering something you've deleted. Imagine you've just deleted a task or file, and it wasn't intentional. Fortunately, Wrike provides an immediate solution. After the deletion, a pop-up notification will appear on the screen. This notification is crucial. It contains an undo button. By clicking this button, you can immediately reverse the action and restore the deleted item without any hassle. In those moments when you might not see the pop-up or miss the opportunity to click it, don't worry. There's still a quick and effective method to undo the deletion using your computer's keyboard. If you're using a Windows operating system, simply press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Z. This universal undo shortcut can come in handy in various applications, and Wrike is no exception. It's always good to have a backup option, and this shortcut provides just that, ensuring you can retrieve your work efficiently. And there you have it. Whether you prefer using the notification pop-up or the trusty Ctrl+Z shortcut, recovering deleted items in Wrike is both manageable and convenient. The main thing to remember is to act promptly when you realize a mistake has been made, and you'll be able to recover your work quickly. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident navigating these recovery options. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity with Wrike.